Hello friends, today I am going to show you a brilliant game between Garry Kasparov and his opponent. So let's start. So here black is to play. What would be the best move for black? I will give you just 10 seconds to think. If anyone thinks knight to h4 or knight to e3, then both of the moves are wrong, because here is a pin bishop to f4. You can see that. So both of them are wrong. Now let me show you one more variation. If black goes with a pin, like here bishop takes on d5, so here you can see bishop is attacking on f3 pawn and as well as queen. So here queen cannot take queen can take here, and black's plan is to give a check and regain that queen, but it will not work because we will push pawn, and if he goes here then it's a check. If he goes here then this, if we capture then this. So it is a brilliant endgame for white. You can see from the position. Let's go at the beginning. So what would be the best move? If anyone thinks that is king to h5, removing the pin, I have shown you from the bishop, it gives check and regain a pawn, in which white has one bishop and black has one knight. I have shown you. So here is a check for white. So there is no way to escape. So let me show you the correct move that Garry Kasparov played. So the best move for the black is bishop to f1, giving a checkmate. If king captures, then black is forced the king on f1, and knight to e3 gives a check to the king. If white king goes to f2, then here is a check and here is a checkmate. Here is a checkmate. Okay, if white not capture, then here is a check and here is a checkmate. So black king is trapped in any way he go to. So here check and this, then queen to h4 is a brilliant move. Now here white has only this option, because this move leads to a checkmate, like this, check and checkmate. Therefore white king has to move this only safe square, and now we would capture his bishop, and you can see that black is winning. So this move by Kasparov is really amazing. His opponent thinks that he would win, but he missed something, and that was bishop to f1. So I hope you like this video. If you can find this answer, then it means that you are really a strong player, or you are more than intermediate player. So I hope you like this video.